Video number 2. First we take this one now. Where do I take? Right side. Right side. Right side, you know. Again. Cutie. Yes. 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 There you go. There you go. So which one do you think now? Plastisch. Dum. What color? It's white. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, let me see. What is it? Blue. Vintage. Vintage cutie. This vintage cutie, my love. Oh, I love the tears like that. And you know why? To know that this is true, here you can see here the back of the QR code. So then you know that it's true. And with a hologram. Oh. Next. Oh. Next. How? Okay. Let's do this. Ooh. I'm so happy, I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, here you go. Let's see which one. White one. So what one is? The Vanilla Cutie. It's very soft. Vanilla cutie. Vanilla cutie. Yes. So 3 out of 6. 3 out of 6. Let's take all 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3. Okay. Let's push it one side and open this first. What color? Ooh, green. It's a blondie with green. Let me see. Oh, child. Child. Here you go. Blondie. You call it? Camo Cutie. So, I got Pink Cutie, I got Vintage Cutie, I got Vanilla Cutie, and now this is Camo Cutie. Camo Cutie. Camo Cutie. The first one. Okay, Camo Cutie. Here you go, Camo Cutie. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got Camo Cutie. We got Vintage Cutie. We got Vanilla Cutie. We got Pink Cutie, which is the first one. So basically now left with Denim Cutie, Neon Cutie, or the Secret Surprise Cutie. Which one? It's either Denim, Neon, or the Secret. Okay? So we left it two. Right side first. Denim, Neon, or Secret. Denim, Neon, or Secret. Denim, Neon, or Secret. Should I take this? If I don't get Secret, it's okay. I would love to, but life is never fair. Looks like denim, blue. Denim, denim. This is denim. Denim, denim. Denim. Thank you. Now, the last one is either Neon or Secret. Which one you think? Neon or Secret?